Hey guys, I'm Shreya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to have a perfect base for your foundation. So that includes exfoliating. Exfoliating is actually, what do you say, a cosmetological term for scrub. So yeah, so you exfoliate your face and then you moisturize it, you ice your face, and then apply your foundation because your face is then a perfect canvas for your foundation. So if you want to know how to get a perfect base for your foundation, please keep on watching the video. So to get the perfect base for your foundation is to scrub your face. This is a DIY scrub I've made at home. So I'm just going to use it with my hands and then scrub it inside your face. There is a DIY video on how to make this scrub right after I scrub my face. So be ready to watch that. To make your DIY scrub, all you need is some yogurt and coffee powder. I'm using the Brew instant coffee powder. Take some yogurt and some coffee powder. Once you mix it, it'll become a scrub for your face. It's that simple. And this is actually for combination to normal skin. If you have dry skin, instead of yogurt, you can always use full fat milk. Also with your leftover coffee granules, you can just go into your face again and scrub it. As I told in my previous video, the areas you need to cover scrubbing is around the mouth, the nose, the sides of the nose, and your forehead. And also, coffee being a not very harsh scrub on your face, it can be used like even thrice a week because it just seeps into your skin. It does not have that granular effect after you scrub your face. So coffee is the best scrub you can use. You would have also seen that many brands have been incorporating coffee as a scrub, but they become too expensive. So I thought, why not make a DIY coffee scrub for you guys. So after massaging this for like 30 seconds, I'm just going to wash it with some cold water because after that it closes up your pores, so you don't get any other bacteria or anything back into your skin with open pores. So you always wash your face with cold water after you scrub it. After scrubbing your face and washing it with some cold water, what I like to do is use ice on your face because as I have oily skin, my pores tend to, like, they are huge. So I like icing my skin. Ice that till it kind of melts down, especially around the areas where you have a large pores, especially here, your nose, chin, and your forehead here. So ice those places properly. After the icing, your skin is always ready to get some hydration back into its face. So I'll be using this Nivea Express Hydration Moisturizer. I'll take this much and wipe it onto your face. So this actually leaves a matte finish. It does not have like this excess residue or anything like the other moisturizers have, and this is what I like about the lotion. It's express hydration, as the name says. The next step obviously is the primer to achieve a perfect base for your foundation. So this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer. I'll just dot this. This is the matte primer. So I'm just gonna pat it down, not swipe it. Now that our face is a beautiful canvas for our foundation, we're going to start immediately with the foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me matte foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff. I'm just gonna dot it and then just blend this very quickly, and I'll be back. So now that you can see I've come back after blending the foundation, you can see how the finish is so perfect and even, and it just makes your skin look even more healthier and even toned. So hope this was helpful for you guys. And I've also not put any concealer under my eyes. This is how your face will look, and it feels great after the foundation. If you want to I'll get you a closer look. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you make your own DIY scrubs or repeat the scrub I make, please don't forget to tag me. Please do share, subscribe and like our channel. Bye guys.